Hi, welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel, and this is Cat's mom. In their quite typical fashion, American Girl just leaked new images of unreleased items on their Facebook page. The same exact thing happened right before Nicki and Isabel were released, which leads me to believe that either their website maintenance department is really lacking, or they're doing it on purpose. In either case, it's a win for us. And by the way, there are more images than this one. Just keep watching this video if you want to see all of them. Some people were even lucky enough to purchase these items on American Girl website, but American Girl was quick to remove them. However, screenshots that people took, you can't remove those. So in this video, let's talk about what is getting released and when these items are possibly get released. But before we talk about that, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content, but not a subscriber yet, you should definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. That's a lot of American Girl content. Okay, so now let's talk about the new items. We will start with this Nicki red vinyl jumper outfit. This is clearly the newest version of a red jumper outfit that used to be a meet outfit for American Girl of today. This version was introduced in 1998 and was retired in the year 2000. American Girl of Today was the name of the line that we know right now as Truly Me. And originally this outfit was available for purchase by itself for $22. And if you purchased one of American Girl of Today dolls, she came in this outfit. This new version will retail at $42. The jumper from the original version was made out of vinyl that started peeling off. These jumpers are at least 23 years old right now, and finding a jumper where the vinyl is not peeled off is quite rare. One can only hope that American Girl used a better quality material and the new jumper is not going to peel off in another 10 to 20 years. We kind of knew that this outfit might be getting re-released because it was featured in Nicki and Isabel's book that recently came out. In the picture when they celebrate in the year 2000, Nicki is wearing this outfit, and Isabel is wearing the outfit that I'm going to show you next. This outfit is called Isabel's Year 2000 outfit, and the original version was just called Year 2000 outfit. Their original outfit's price was $25, and the new outfit will cost $42. I actually think it's quite genius of American Girl to release these outfits as a part of the historical collection for Nicki and Isabel. This is 100% historically accurate because both of these outfits were available for dolls and girls in 1999. The year 2000 outfit was usually paired with this doll celebration kit. Sadly enough, American Girl's not re-releasing this one, but they are releasing a new set of accessories to pair with the jumper outfit and the year 2000 outfit. Here it is, and it's called Isabel and Nicki's New Year's Party Accessories. This set includes accessories for both Nicki and Isabel, and it will retail at $32. This is a brand new set, and it's really cute. The little camera is so adorable, and the cupcakes even have the dial face on them. And let me show you Nicki and Isabel with the accessories on one more time. Another new item is this American Girl Today t-shirt for 18-inch dolls. This item was also previously released as a part of American Girl of Today collection. The new t-shirt is slightly different in a way that it has this clear plastic tag thing that says American Girl on it. The original version didn't have that. And it looks like we get in this t-shirt in girl sizes as well. Maybe possibly even in adult sizes. I'm pretty sure girls extra large would fit adult small, but it would be really smart of American Girl to sell actual adult sizes, like something like in sizes bigger than small. Since American Girl just started catering to adult collectors, they should definitely consider making clothes in actual adult sizes. And here's another new item that's about to get released. Isabel and Nicki's Slumber Party Kit for 18-inch dolls. And just look at that. It has a miniature book of the care and keeping of you. This is one of the most iconic items from American Girl. Let me know in the comments if you had one growing up. This set will retail at $36. The next set is called Isabel and Nicki's Movie Night Set. I think it's cute and perfectly representing the time period. The popcorn machine is so cute. I love that we got 2 Coca-Cola drinks for both sisters, unlike with the pizza set. And it even comes with a Blockbuster rental. How cute is that? I'm not exactly sure what the price is. Now let's talk about when all of these new items will possibly come out. My guess would be next Thursday, just based on the fact that next Wednesday we're getting 2 retired outfits released. One's from 1999 and one's from 2004. If you haven't seen my video where I talked about them, I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. American Girl announced on pretty much all of their social media accounts that something new is getting released next Wednesday, and it's only going to be available for 24 hours. And that something is definitely going to be those 2 outfits. So, earlier this year, American Girl brought Kit Kittredge's original collection, at least a part of it. Now they're bringing back the Winter Magic outfit and the ballerina costume, and now they're bringing back the red jumper outfit, the year 2000 outfit, and a bunch of other stuff. Are they running out of ideas? Did they hit writer's block, so to speak? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you happy that American Girl is bringing so much stuff back? Or do you miss new innovative items? If American Girl really wants to make a lot of money, they should bring back the rare items, the ones that go for hundreds of dollars on eBay. For example, for Kit, instead of bringing the school outfit, they could have brought back the chicken keeping outfit that was available for a very short period of time, or the baseball outfit, or the hobo outfit. Those would sell much better than the school outfit, at least among the adult collectors. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you're interested in all things American Girl but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.